Now we are starting 10th lesson. The title is Vision of the World as It Is. Now
Hmm.
everybody thinks that whatever I see in the world, it is I see as it is. But actually it is not so. Right? Everybody sees the world differently. Everybody has different colored spectacles because of his previous birth and current life, how he is brought up, how he has studied, what he has read, all these things. So these things make everyone to see the world in a different fashion. And everyone, all of us realize when you come into contact with another person, definitely your viewpoint will differ. And they are telling so because they are not lying. Actually, they see the world as it is.
Hmm.
There the problem realizes, right? They don't want to differ with you. Actually, they see it like that. So they tell, this is my view. Okay, but that view becomes a belief, right? So the first thing we have to, what will in this life, what is helpful to us is that the people's belief are actually their views. Okay, even our own views, our own beliefs are actually our views. Yes, yes, we see the world as our perception. Rushik ભાઈ એવું કહે છે, you are right. And we perceive the different people perceive the things differently. Same thing. Why do they differ? There are several reasons because everybody's starting point is different. Okay, we believe in the science of rebirth. So we don't know previously how the person has been developed. Again, from childhood, the continuous learning, and we know that every soul is a unique soul. દરેક આત્મા એક એટલે વન નથી પણ યુનિક છે. એકનો અર્થ યુનિકના બદલે વન કરવામાં ઘણી ગરબડ થઈ ગઈ છે સમજવામાં. પણ આપણે પ્રેક્ટિકલી જોઈએ તો યુનિક છે. એવરી સોલ ઇઝ યુનિક. એવરી સોલ ઇઝ યુનિક એટલે એની જર્ની છે સંસારમાં જુદા જુદા વર્ષોથી શરૂ થયેલી હોય, જુદું જુદું ડેવલપમેન્ટ હોય. એટલે યુનિકનેસ જે છે એ એક્સેપ્ટ કરવી એ પહેલી વસ્તુ છે આમાં. કે આપણે આપણા જેવું આ વર્લ્ડમાં ભૂતકાળમાં કોઈ થયું નથી, વર્તમાનમાં છે નહીં અને ભવિષ્યમાં થનાર નથી. એવી રીતે દરેક વ્યક્તિ યુનિક છે કારણ કે દરેક સોલ એ યુનિક છે. મૂળ મુદ્દો આ છે. અને એનું દરેકનું અપબ્રિંગિંગ, દરેકના કર્મોના
Hmm.
છે ડેવલપમેન્ટ એ બધું અલગ અલગ સંસ્કારો,
Abhindra.
એના કારણે આ એક વસ્તુ છે. હવે આ જે નેચરના રૂલ આપણે સમજવામાં થાપ ખાઈ જઈએ, if we do not comprehend this nature's rules, what happens? A negativity sort of thing develops. Negativity is nothing else except that we think કે we deny the nature's rules. કુદરતના જે કાનૂન છે, કુદરતના જે નિયમો છે, તેનો અસ્વીકાર કરવાથી નેગેટિવિટી ઉત્પન્ન થાય છે. હવે અસ્વીકાર કરવાથી નેગેટિવ રૂલ્સ, કુદરતના રૂલ બદલાઈ જવાના નથી, રાઈટ? પરંતુ આપણને મુશ્કેલી પડે કારણ કે આપણે નેચરના રૂલથી વિરુદ્ધમાં ગયા. જેમ આપણે પવનની દિશામાં તમે જો ચાલો તો તમને ચાલવાનું ઈઝી પડે, પવનથી વિરુદ્ધ ચાલો તો અઘરું પડે. એ રીતે આ નેગેટિવિટીનો સોર્સ પણ આમ જોઈએ તો નેચરના રૂલ સમજવામાં આપણી ગેરસમજ છે, અથવા તો સમજવાની તૈયારી નથી, અથવા તો આપણે જાણતા નથી કે આવા કોઈ નેચરના રૂલ છે. આ બધા જ કારણો છે ને આપણો આ જે પ્રોગ્રામ છે, આ વર્કશોપ આપણે ચલાવીએ છીએ સિરીઝ, તેની પાછળનું ધ રીઝન ધીસ. સો surrounded by those kind of negativity, the denial of nature's rules and regulations, which so actually those negativities, there is a cover on our view. આપણે જેમ પીળા કલરના ચશ્મા પહેર્યા હોય દુનિયા પીળી લાગે, એ રીતે આપણી જે અંદર રહેલી નેગેટિવિટી છે એની આપણી દ્રષ્ટિ પર આવરણ આવે છે અને એના કારણે આપણને બધું એ રીતનું દેખાય છે. બરાબર છે? એટલે આ વર્લ્ડનું જે ટ્રુ પિક્ચર છે તે આપણે જોઈ શકતા નથી. ખરેખર શું છે તે આપણે જોઈ શકતા નથી. અથવા તો આપણી રીતે જ જોઈએ છે, બીજો બીજાની રીતે જોઈએ છે, અને એના કારણે કાયમ સંઘર્ષમય જીવન આપણું જતું હોય છે ને આપણને શાંતિ રહેતી નથી. એટલે આના કારણે એટલા બધા અસંખ્ય આપણા ઓપિનિયન, અસંખ્ય આપણા જેને રાગદ્વેષ કહીએ છીએ, બરાબર, અજ્ઞાનતા કહીએ છીએ, અણસમજ કહીએ છીએ, આગ્રહ કહીએ છીએ, એ બધાના કારણે આપણે આપણી આજુબાજુનું વાતાવરણ લોકોને જેમ છે તેમ સમજી શકતા નથી, જોઈ શકતા નથી. ઇવન આપણે આપણું ગામ પણ બરાબર જાણતા નથી, આપણી શેરીના લોકોને બરાબર જાણતા નથી, આપણા દેશને બરાબર જાણતા નથી. આ વર્લ્ડનો વ્યૂ પણ આપણો જુદો હોય છે. આ એક વસ્તુ છે કે એવરીબડી હેઝ ડિફરન્ટ સ્પેક્ટેકલ્સ, રાઈટ? ધીસ ઇઝ વન થિંગ. નેક્સ્ટ સ્લાઇડ, પ્રદીપભાઈ. હવે એના કારણે થાય છે હાઉ નેગેટિવ ડેવલપ્સ. Some reasons we have seen already because of previous birth, our upbringing in this life, our education, our company, our reading, so many things. But there are further things that we are constant exposed to different information throughout. And this, especially in present times, we are living in a age of information bombarding. So much of information bombarding is going on continuously on our nervous system and our brain. So when something negative about an important, for a taking an example, suppose you get some news about a important person, happens or is publicized, or there is a rumor. Sometimes you know this, you know all this, right? So some news you say, you read in newspaper, or there is a rumor. There are rumors also. A large portion of rumors are there. We immediately believe it to be true. Whatever we listen about somebody else, right? Especially who is an important person, then we think, okay, must be true. This information must be true. Now the person who is giving you information, he relies upon others. So whenever we receive some information about somebody else, that source of information is hardly authentic. He has sourced from another person, that another person has sourced from another person, like that. And it is colored with his own likes and dislikes, right? So we immediately believe it to be true. Connect it with similar negativity of other famous person, the previously, whatever is in our memory. Take our mind in the past to project an imaginary picture. We again add our own imagination, right? We add our own imagination, depending upon again our own likes, dislikes. And then gradually we think, because most of the last session we have discussed that if a dog bites a man, it is not a news. But if a man bites a dog, it is news. So we get this kind of information continuously, negative information. Generally, negative information can make good news, good TRPs, right? So like that, continuously it happens, and as a result, we think that everything is bad. Past times were good, present times are bad. This kind of we get the conclusion, and then we also project the future will also be even bad. This happens as a trend, and this is the main reason for developing continuous development and nourishing of negativity within us and all people. Next slide, Pradeep bhai. Now what we have to, whenever we receive any new negative news, we have to remember that this is not the only thing which has happened in the world. There are so many positive things happening all around continuously, but they are not the news items. So you will never receive this kind of news. So always think that this is only a portion of what is happening in the world, right? Another example the author talks, that if some important person is talked about as corrupt, we compare ourselves with him in our subconscious mind and conclude that we are not like him. Now in the news, this has a very serious implication. That suppose news are of different categories. Okay, negative, say 10% negative, 20% negative, 30% negative, 40% negative, like that. Suppose even 200% negative also will find. You continuously, subconsciously, a person goes on comparing the other person in the news, okay, with himself. And he gets a solace, he gets a satisfaction that, oh, I am much better than the X or Y. Okay. So now you see in the news, there will be a worst kind of news also. Then again, you will get satisfaction. So the gradually, silently it happens that because you are comparing with the negative and bad things, you are gradually, your parameters of goodness comes down, and you get a false satisfaction that of being good always. Because as we have discussed, there are no news, no information continuously thrown upon you about better things and good things in the world. So this is one disadvantage, right? If somebody is arrogant, we again connect ourselves and say that no, I am not like that. So as a result, our own development hinders. Okay, we only develop if we compare ourselves with those who are better than us, rather than comparing ourselves with those who are worse than us. Next slide, Pradeep bhai. So we compare bad quality of present with good quality of past experience. Right? This is another issue. In the past, there is a thinking. So many people now think the past was much better than present. Actually, that statement also is not tenable, because whatever happened in the past, there is no perfect record. There was no such technology. Even if there were books, they were not properly written, or full description is not available. And suppose, okay, I read one example. It help me in understanding this. Let's suppose after 400 years, okay, 500 years, or even say 100 years, somebody reads about 2000 or 1945 or 1950 or 2000, the current, our lifespan period, how he will come to know this about these times? Only based upon the cinemas, whatever is recorded here, okay, like that. Or thinking that what kind of good people were there. Suppose he reads Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, after 100, 200 years, people will not remember Lala Bhai or Santosh ji or anybody, the people like us. They will only remember people like Mahatma Gandhi or Narendra Modi or Radha Krishna or Abdul Kalam. Some people say 50 people of India, they will be remembered even after 1 or 2 or 3 centuries. Now they will think, oh, that these times were like this. All people were like Mahatma Gandhi. Like this will happen. Actually, we think it is not so. They will think it was good times, because they think जो इतने अच्छे थे उनका ही देखेंगे. Or suppose it is the worst. The worst thing, gradually people forget. Good thing they continue of the past. But in case of present, they forget good things, but they focus on the negative things. This creates a dilemma, continuous dilemma in their life. Okay, this is one thing. So when a house servant, suppose this is another example the author gives us. Suppose you are a house servant, driver, stenographer, or your office assistant. Okay, a new person comes. We compare, okay, his poor qualities, because he's in the settling period. He's settling in his job. But from day one, you start comparing him with the earlier person who was holding his position, and we start thinking that the previous person was better than the present. Now, when that person was present, you were comparing with him, even previous person. Okay. So as a result, And in his presence, we never praise him. So when a person is changed, we praise him, the past person. This is one thing. He gives the example. Next slide. Like this is a famous poem we also covered in long back in our session. This is a Gujarati poem. It is like a camel. Okay. ઊંટ કહે આ સભામાં વાંકા અંગવાળા ભૂંડા. ઋષિકભાઈ તમે આ સમજાવો જરા. ઋષિકભાઈ. ઋષિકભાઈ. આ દલપત રામની કવિતા છે. એ કહે છે કે ઊંટની દ્રષ્ટિ કેવી છે. ઊંટ કહે છે કે આ જગતમાં બધા પક્ષીઓ પશુઓ બધા લોકોમાં કઈનું કઈ વાંકું છે. બગલાની ડોક વાંકી છે, પોપડની ચાંચ વાંકી છે, કૂતરાની પૂંછડી વાંકી છે, વાઘનો નખ વાંકા છે. દરેક જગ્યાએ કઈનું કઈ વાંકું જુએ છે. ત્યારે એને શિયાળ આ સાંભળે છે તો શિયાળ કહે છે કે ભાઈ તમારું તો બધું જ વસ્તુ વાંકી છે, પણ એ પોતા તરફ જોઈ શકતો નથી. એટલે એ રીતે આ નેગેટિવિટીના કારણે આપણે હંમેશા દરેક વી ગો ઓન ક્રિટિસાઇઝિંગ other people because we focus only on negative thing, and because there is negativity we are able to see only negativity. There is another thing, and sometimes it gives us some sort of pleasure that negativity we do not have. Actually it may not be correct. Say whenever we talk about somebody, you'll observe that that A is speaking too much, B is speaking too little, X is not smart, Y is over smart. Okay, if he is not smart then also we criticize, if he is over smart then also we criticize, if he speaks then also we criticize too much, and if he speaks little then also we criticize. He is extravagant, somebody is extravagant तो बोले कि तो उड़ाऊ છે બહુ, માઇઝર કંજૂસ છે, સિસ્ટમેટિક છે, કોઈ કહે છે આ કેઓટિક છે, કોઈ સેલ્ફિશ છે, કોઈ છે કે ઓવર એમ્બિશિયસ છે, વધારે પડતો ઉદાર છે કે વધારે પડતો મહત્વાકાંક્ષી છે. A long line of negative qualities. Criticism goes and on because we find always whenever just observe that whenever two persons are meeting, they talk about a third person. Okay, even when we are alone, we think about other person, and what we think, these kind of things. Okay, so and not in a case of in a mode of appreciation, but thinking that this is a negative point in so and so. Next, like કોઈના પોઝિટિવમાં આપણે લગભગ વાત કરતા નથી, હાર્ડલી. હું માનું છું કે 5% જ આપણે પોઝિટિવ વસ્તુ વાત કરતા હોય કોઈ પણ બાબતની વ્યક્તિમાં. એકચ્યુઅલી બધું હોય છે જે આપણી અંદર પોઝિટિવ નેગેટિવ બેવું છે દરેકની અંદર હોય છે. So as a result what happens, we are our vision and our thinking is always extrovert. We are looking toward outside and we forget to see what is happening within inside us, right? So connection, comparison, criticism, okay, is a psychological defect accumulated over a period of time when inner world was not intended. Suppose we do not look inwards, we do not think about what is happening in our mind, then gradually we only think about negativities outside. If we are attending to inner world, all spirituality is about attending to inner world, and that is what we are really concerned. It was allowed to develop as it wanted to. The result, and why it happens, if you don't pay attention to your own antahkaran, આપણી અંદરના અંતસ્કરણમાં આપણા હૃદયમાં શું ચાલે છે એનું જો આપણે ધ્યાન નહીં આપીએ તો શું થાય છે કે આ બધી બહારની વસ્તુઓ, બહારનો જે ફીડબેક છે, કન્ટિન્યુઅસલી it goes on, we go on grasping those things which are unrelated to us rather, and they grow within our heart. Like suppose you leave some agricultural land barren, even if you do nothing, lot of grass and wild plants will grow. Similar thing happens in case of a human being. Next, Pradeep, next law. So as a result we are oblivious of brighter side because continuous Yes, we have already discussed. We are exposed to only negative things. Then it becomes a habit. Then it becomes our view that we only find what is negative, like auditors, and then we do not know what is brighter in the life. Ultimately, it affects our own life. This psychological defect does not allow us to know and experience the brighter side of human beings who live in our own locality. In our own locality, में so many good things are happening, but हम उससे बेखबर रहते हैं सिटी और कंट्री में क्या अच्छा हो रहा है. जैसे अभी शुरू में बीना बहन ने बताया, सी इज स्पेंडिंग 1 hour एक्टर गुड. So unless she must have told us, nobody knows. Even her neighbors may not be knowing, because there is people do not have this kind of view. So otherwise, in the reality, the real world is full of brilliant people with great qualities of head and heart, talents of a good administrators. People have. There are good administrators. There are good musicians. There are good scientists, good clerical staff, good peons, good worker. Everywhere these people are there, but we focus on other side, and that creates a continuous deterioration in our moods also. There are hundreds of brave and courageous people who have the ability to sort out the mess. There are dedicated and obedient people who execute the plans made by intelligent people. Suppose a irrigation dam is planned, but there are executors also. Good executor is a very good quality. But this is how it happens. Next slide, Pradeep. So goodness also is everywhere. Like as we get the information about negativities everywhere, their goodness is also everywhere. But there are no news. They do not make news lines. So there are good police officers, good businessmen, good teachers, good servants, good relatives, good friends. But we are likely to miss them if we are having a high dose of negative. So for getting a more dose of positivity, it requires some efforts and a conscious attention to positivities and positive people, and including ourselves in positive people. World is always, there are 2 points of this side. Nothing is 100% bad, nothing is 100% good. World is really, in reality, is mixture of good and bad, although this division is not strictly right. Something which is bad, someone who is bad today, he becomes a good tomorrow, like that. It's continuously changing. There are these, previously we discussed three basic principles of life, which has helped me, I tell you, and it will help everyone. There are three principles which I summarized after a lot of studies. The one is a uniqueness of person. If you continuously think and imbibe that every soul in this world is unique, it gives you a lot of joy. It gives you power of adjustment, and it improves your listening powers. So many things it happens. It removes your prejudices, all those things that happen. This first principle is everybody is unique. We forget to, although it is a reality, we forget to know this, become aware of this. And as a result, we go on standardizing the thing, or say stereotyping the thing. ये लोग तो ऐसे ही हैं, सूरत के लोग ऐसे होते हैं. Can we generalize like that? Okay. Then second principle is that because everybody is unique, everybody is a different view. This is a simple statement, but it helps us a lot. Okay. Then third, a person is continuously developing. Any living thing continuously develops. So the person, yesterday's person is different from today's person. Today's person is different from yesterday's person, because every day the person is learning, unlearning, and continuously developing. Now that's why, because people are continuously developing, as a result, there is no scope for prejudices or biases. Okay, that is also helping us, because these are the three basic principles. After my long experience in administration, I tell you, HRD, I found these three things helps us a lot in adjustment and dealing with people with free of prejudices. The person continuously develop. Hence, let us not have any bad information about him is a past information. I tell you that because see, I was transferable continuously. Whenever I was transferred, what happens? People give you the information about the new location, new people, new staff, even without asking. Okay, or some people go on inquiring. I had this habit after learning this. I will never inquire about anybody. Okay, let me go and let me observe firsthand how this fellow deals with me, because I have found that a person deals with different people differently. आप जो आप में से जो लोग एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन में होंगे आपको पता होगा कि एक एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर के साथ लोग अच्छी तरह से चलते हैं, दूसरे के साथ दूसरी तरह से चलते हैं. तो लाइक दैट पीपल आर नॉट बेसिकली good or bad. We are also responsible for that. So reading biographies of good people also helps to find goodness. Okay, next slide. And we can have an oasis in a desert. Although the world is full of information bombarding on negative news, we can have, by focusing on positivity, we can have a oasis. रणद्वीप में ऐसा द्वीप हो सकता है. And if you start on this direction, you will find yourself as we meditate and keep on contemplation, rather meditation means contemplation and thinking. Okay, on eternal value system, slowly we change our vision of the world by becoming aware of positivity in a diversity of fields. So many positive things are happening. And our circle is one of these, this an effort. Okay, and later on, gradually we start, our vision changes and we start seeing, we are able to see good things. And as a result, what happens? Small world of high class positive people in various fields develop around us. They come around us gradually. Okay. And a world within a world, an oasis in a desert. So what anything may be happening in the world, but you will be surrounded by positive people. Okay, like this circle, our circle is developing, right? Next slide, Pradeep bhai. So, because like begets like, how this circle, because earlier we were thinking and we are only pondering over negativities. But now, because we have started thinking and locating positive things and even receiving and searching for positive things happening, studying those things, as a result, our own thinking pattern changes, and we also, our circles also change, and although true, although possible. So like begets like, because negativity, your focus has started on positivity, you will observe this, and I have experimented this, you can also experiment, and it gradually will get a surrounding of positive circumstances, positive people. But this requires a conscious attention and effort. If in the beginning it takes some time, it's a takeoff period, everything is a takeoff period. But say within 5, 7, 8, 10 saal, a total change you will observe. We experience this great eternal truth that changing the world around us. बोलते हैं आप भला तो जग भला. This is not new. Okay. And catalyzes that portion which is away from us. So it attracts the good. That's the principle of like begets like. Next slide, Pradeep bhai. So positive diversity. Okay, the world is full of diversity. Even your family is full of diversity. Because everybody is unique. And if it is not diverse, there will not be a charm in the life. Every office, every organization, people are different, so it is full of diversity. So enjoy the diversity rather than criticizing it, why they are not like me. It will never happen. Okay. So then if we enjoy the positive diversity around us, we will see many like us who are changing within by following different. So many people you will find who are trying to follow different techniques and still achieving the good results. So we start learning and how to remain positive and enjoy the diversity. This will be the last and final vision to see the world in all its positive. So positive diversity is the ultimate goal. Any diversity, because you find it diverse, because something is different than you, it is not negative. Okay, it is only diverse but not negative. That is the learning of this session, positive diversity. Next slide. Last color. So with this, we are finishing the first session on vision of the world as it is.